SB19 caught a tidal wave in Hawaii. The kings of P-pop SB19 brought their extraordinary artistry and their electrifying dance wizardry as they debuted on August 1, 2025 at the Hawaii Convention Center.
SB19's fans called 18 converged in Hawaii days before the concert. As 18 based in Hawaii set up activities, they welcomed their co-18 warmly, those who flew from the different states of the U.S. and even one who flew from the Philippines.
Okay, picture, video, say hi! Hello, hello! Okay, everybody!
Fresh from a lifted tsunami warning, 18 were excited and ready to welcome their idols at the Honolulu International Airport hours before SB19 arrived. They had welcome banners, shirts, signs, and leis to show SB19 Hawaii's signature aloha.
Ayan na, ayan na!
And embracing one's identity, further amplifying their message of empowerment.
The following day, Hawaii 18 welcomed Guest 18 at the Philippine Consulate of Hawaii, which graciously hosted the fan meet. Food popular in the islands were served, a photo booth to capture fun and friendship, and games to brush up on knowledge about SB19 kept everybody alert. Of course, if SB19 are talented, so are their fans, so we were treated to dancing, singing, song composition, and even specially prepared video presentations. This event was seen worldwide via live stream called the SB19 Hawaii Show Live.
They were very enthusiastic and really wanted to know how they could give back. And we are very fortunate that they selected Kapiawani. So thank you so much.
In the morning of the concert, SB19's 18, still full of energy, trooped to Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children to turn in the monetary donation they raised for the Cancer and Infusion Center, which serves intergenerational patients of Hawaii and across the Pacific region. Generous fans also donated a total of 40 tickets to treat the hardworking staff of the hospital and introduce them to the amazing talents of SB19.
Privileged because we have fans from the famous group SB19 here. Concert at the Hawaii Convention Center. This is the first one in Hawaii. Ever in Hawaii. So this is a huge deal. This is a very, very popular boy band, originally from the Philippines, and they have actually fundraised to support the hospital. And so we're here to celebrate them and to thank them for the money that they've raised for the future Martha B. Smith Cancer and Infusion Center. So thank you guys so much for that. They have also generously donated 40 free tickets to the concert.
Hours before the concert started, 18 of Hawaii Vlogs had a table full of giveaways for concert attendees to avail of. This gave attendees a glimpse of the SB19 and 18 culture wherein everyone is welcome. At the sound check, screams of fans matched the amazing vocals of SB19. And while waiting for the show to start, fans had a good time singing SB19 songs and even showing off dance moves, loosening everyone to familiarity and fun. Our Mahalima, or because this is Hawaii, our Aloha Ilima, didn't disappoint. Their artistry and showmanship is top-notch, enhanced by amazing production.
Indeed, SB19 caught a huge wave in Hawaii. Their fierce artistry founded in the hearts and minds of people who now can't wait for their return. This is Tita 18 Theta Pilar Pineda from Waikiki Beach, Hawaii. Aloha!